Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be making a Korean dish called Tteokbokki. So let's go. So there is also a recipe book found in the food box, which is what I'm going to be using as a guide in the preparation of this Korean dish. Korean food is called hanshik. So this is a hanshik kit from the Korean Food Promotion Institute. You can see I thoroughly enjoyed this Korean dish called tteokbokki. And watch out guys, for my next video I'm going to also prepare another Korean dish, so watch out and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.